Williams here with Elliott Wave Source, the #1 source for Elliott Wave technical analysis. Today is April 10th, 2013, and I'll be covering two pairs for you guys today, the Aussie and the Kiwi. Starting out with the Kiwi, see that prices have, on the weekly chart, seeing that prices have been moving up in one direction for some time now, which would indicate to us that this is a corrective wave. And also, if you look at the RSI, we see some divergence within this pair as well. So we should see prices selling off sooner than later. As we see, we're currently working on that B wave and expecting no more than 93.095, as we see that B wave has already surpassed the beginning of the A wave, which would indicate that this is a flat correction, and flat corrections usually, the B wave usually range between 100% and 138% of the A wave. So if we see something push beyond that, then we would have to relabel our wave count. Dropping down on the 4-hour just to take a closer look at that B wave, and we're seeing that we have this labeled as a 333. See that ABC, that C wave, is actually 61% of the A wave. Then we saw a rather simple X wave. Then ABC, the A and the C wave is equal in distance. Then we see a more complex X wave this time around. And then now we're currently working on that Z wave. Dropping down to 30, get a closer look at the Z. And we see that ABC, that C wave, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth wave is actually the extended wave within these impulses, and it's actually 100% of the movement of the beginning of wave 1 to the end of wave 3. We see that B wave, and then this fib lines that I have drawn here is the distance, the whole distance of wave A. So expecting wave C to be at least 61% or 100% of wave A. We already saw that it passed through the 61.8 level, so now our next target is the 100% mark. Now if we drop down on a smaller time frame just to take a closer look at these impulses, and we see wave 1 retrace significantly, wave 2 rather retrace significantly, and then see that wave 3 is the extended wave within the group, so wave 5 should be equal to wave 1. And we already see that it was just shy of that, 83.5. So now that's the completion of wave 1 within the C wave. So we should see prices push down for wave 2. Initial targets could be the 38% fib, which would be 84.6. Could push as low as 84.2 as well. So we should see prices generally push lower. So about 84. About 84.5-ish, around there. Jumping over to the Aussie, on the 4-hour, we are seeing impulses going up. Let's take a closer look at these impulses. We see that wave 1, wave 2 retrace 50% of wave 1, and then wave 3 is the extended wave. So wave 5 should equal the distance of wave 1, and it should end at about 105.39, about 105.40, call it. Then jumping down on the 30-minute just to take a closer look at that fifth wave that we're projecting at 105.40, we see that wave 1, wave 2 retrace about 61% of wave 1, and then wave 3 is indeed our extended wave, so wave 5 should equal the distance of wave 1 as well, and the target is 105.48, which is pretty close to the initial target we have on the 4-hour. So we'll definitely monitor these pairs just to see if our targets are hit. Definitely do a recap on the end of the week just to go over them. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me or Paul in the chat room, and we'll gladly assist you. Now, this is the completion of the daily video, and this is Marcel signing off, and good luck to you traders.